Normally I say if you don't do the homework, we will reschedule the class.
I don't think all teachers do that.
Right.
Miss Naz is nice.
So are you trying to say I'm not nice?
I'm not saying that you're I'm not saying that you're not nice. I'm saying
Asia.
Because you guys just told me, right, that the concentration is always either mass or number of moles divided by the volume of the solution.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But why are we doing it 100 divided? Isn't it supposed to be 18.75?
18. No. We're looking at this barium hydroxide only. Not this 18.75 is volume of hydrochloric acid. Can you see? There's a difference there. This is
Wait, are you answering another question first of all? You're answering C2?
No, I'm not answering anything. I'm just asking.
Oh, okay.
Just asking how to find concentration of barium hydroxide in gram per dm cube and mole per dm cube. Okay, Alia, you try this one since I've taught you. You said you remember. This is your moment.
Yes, come on. Your moment, AC. Come on.
you need to convert something like my notes
Grams
are
per
very
dm
helpful.
Show
And
me
was it the
grams per
MCV
dm.
triangle, or was it
MCV?
MCV? It
To
wasn't
find moles,
MCV.
is it
I'm
grams?
thinking.
Oh, no, concentration, right?
Oh wait, you're looking for mole. Are you looking for moles or concentration?
Man,
Because it's concentration, then it's
I
MCV.
quit the formula like 2 minutes ago.
Wait, I have a question.
The
Yeah. MCV.
Okay, I'm confused.
You're right. It's MCV.
I say all my triangles in their short forms.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. Where's the M then?
The CNQ to DNQ.
Oh, what is happening?
I don't know.
We're still getting inside
Everyone's
this.
talking, so I can't really understand.
Alia, what does the M in your MCV stand for? So,
Yeah.
I want you guys to just write abbreviation and you don't know what does it mean. So, we in math. Now, this one is very simple, okay? So, gram per dm cube, that means, what does this line mean? It's dividing, right? So, basically, you're taking the mass in grams and you're dividing the volume, which is in dm cube, okay?
Yeah.
Simple, okay? So, what's the first thing you should do? What do you think?
You changed centimeters to
You-
dm cube.
That's it. That's the first step, okay? So,
Oh, it's a long explanation.
oh, okay? So, AC, did you get that? Or was it too fast?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, he went really fast. Like he's an aspiring rapper.
You don't even know that I'm gonna be the best. Gonna give you flow, do you need a little rest? Think you got speed, must be on weed. Look at this sweet, let me spoon feed you what you need, yeah, skill.
That's how fast he was going.
Okay.
I don't know how you guys remember that. I have to scan my entire
AC,
periodic
I've
table
been
for that.
teaching chemistry for years, AC, so of course I would have it in the It's fine. You can
Yeah,
do it.
I understand you. I don't understand my classmates.
Okay.
Because somewhere along the line, you still need to memorize it because
Yeah.
in an exam, you don't have your notes.